Yup. Now I just need to make sure that I'm doing the things I need to do here. There we are. Oh, so I did that. Nice. So this and there. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. And that's the start of it. So, welcome in. Been almost a month. Sometimes a little break is always needed. Sometimes. It is definitely needed. Mainly because there's so many people. My lord. There's people all over the place, I feel like. And I saw this clip. Some clipping stuff. Clippy clips. But yeah, I'm gonna be doing a little bit of programming this time. Just chilling and talking it, yeah, while I'm doing so. Hopefully it won't turn up in a hellfire. It should be good. Most likely. I need another document here to reference. Okay, now I'm interested. Does this document even describe different approaches that isn't normally used at all on the undocumented ones? Any info about them? Oh. Seems like there's only the ones that was intended to be used. Excuse me. There we go. Don't mind me here. Oh, fine, that's fine. And yeah, we can have some fun figuring out Atari 2600. It's a lot of fun. A lot of fun. I already have something that's working. Just to sure that it. Oh. Ah. Oh, that wasn't it. I don't remember the names of my batch files. Lovely. So, have it saved here. Delete the emulator. I don't have the physical hardware. There we are. Deb. That's what we're working with. So this is the current state. Let me see. Just gonna run it at 5% speed. So here you can just see how just slowly goes through. It shows the value of each color index in the PAL format in hexadecimal, binary visualized sprites. And it totally didn't take me 2 days to get proper scrolling with the sprites. Totally not. Totally not. Just because you need to position it manually. It's nice. It isn't as simple as the newer stuff. Let me see. I don't want you to pause. Yeah, it shouldn't. It doesn't look it. Here you go. Back yet again. Well, I did text you, so you saw that coming. So I just pause this each time because I don't want the game to run in the background. And let me just change over to different. Oh. If I want to, we'll see the stuff. I don't have the debug colors. There we are. Oh, yeah. Simple enough as it is. Yeah. Aww. A little sleepy one. I just hope you managed to get some proper sleep then. Now I wanna join the sync. No, wait, sync. The list file for this. Don't want that on my repository. Gotta move over there. And also this. Oh. Should I also ignore the ROM file that generate? Why not? Oh, Hey, sweetheart. This one. Once an empty line like so. I thought that was an empty line. Apparently not. There we go. Just gotta change this. Yep. Nice now. It's another fun when you don't want to use GitHub much. I use it mainly through like the little desktop overview. I need to go and find out how I can delete stuff again. So I don't really want those files. Yes. Correct. Fine. He's fine. Maybe we should have another patch. Just so I'm not mixing stuff up. As I always do. And yeah.
Was it the voice? Was it the fire burning in me? All of the noise turned into choirs of harmony. Left me with the pieces of forever that you hold. But since you left me alone, I've been
Hey! Max, what's up? I passed by one of your streams and then you come flying over to me. uh. A little lurker, just as I was in your chat. Let's see. This is just some test code basically, but yeah, I should give some documentation, just some notes to myself. It's gonna quickly get out of hand if I don't. This is upset. Yes. And this just kind of explains itself. It's just syncing the video signal. Nothing special. Lurky lurk. The lurk is real in here.
counterclockwise. I dream of you all night. Filled with devotion, follow the signs. With this devotion, you will be all mine. I'm pulling you closer to me. You're finding it harder to breathe. The magic is taking over your mind entirely. I'm the only one that you see. I got what you want, what you need. Before you know it, you are falling deep in love with me.
Position 1 and 2. Clear the player space. Huh?
This is the moment, no turning back. One drop on your lips and the spell will take effect. Under the moonlight, stay close to my side. We're burning so bright. Oh, oh, oh. Feel the devotion, follow the signs. With this devotion, you will be all mine. I'm pulling you closer to me. You're finding it harder to breathe. The magic is taking over your mind entirely. I'm the only one that you see. I got what
There we go. Slowly writing stuff out so I don't
love with me.
forget stuff. Yeah.
Made a love potion for you. Hey, yeah. Made a love potion for you. Feel the devotion, follow the signs. With this love potion, you will be all mine. Feel the devotion, follow the signs. With this love potion, you will be all mine.
The last app. The last one is just an emulator, so it wouldn't mean anything really. What should I call this? Like, it's a wait for the blanking period to be over. It's a little timer I set up for that. Then it goes into a little loop further down that waits until that is over. Because I don't really know how long this can take because of the subroutine. It has varying amount of time it's gonna execute. Oh, I just noticed something. I can move this down there, save a little time. Neat. And thanks to these instructions, there's gonna be a buffer time. Should be fine. This one takes 3 cycles. And it should be okay. Should be. Oop. Timing it right. It's still not happy. So you want to be able to do it as soon as possible. After VSync. So I can't save that little bit of memory. That's sad. Nope. It's not intentional. No. And here's where I'm gonna disable the black, both the blanking area, VSync, and also the overscan time. There we go. I'm documenting some debug code, basically, for some program, some assembly files I'm gonna use. Ain't the most accelerating thing to do, but it's something, it's something. Scan does the same, but the weight. What should I call it? Bit of a set blanking period? Maybe? Yeah. Oh, no. Now I can't decide on what I need to call it. It's alright if you end up falling asleep. I don't mind if people just use this to basically do whatever. I'm just gonna sit here, work away anyways. Okay, what is this? Like so. I even need the weight right there. Can I just change those things right here? For this year. Yep. Set blanking timer. That's good enough. Wait to describe that. then we got set overscan timer. And then we need to set blanking, or else video signal isn't gonna be understood correctly by the television. So set blanking. I wanna then here increment. What was it? And that's the starting. It's the number that's gonna be used to select what color is being shown the next time around. It just increments it by 1. It's only every other line that's gonna have a different color, but it's still gonna show. Okay. As you can see here, it's way in. You can see that the color doesn't change when the least significant bit is altered. It's only the second one over. So bit 0 doesn't affect any color. It's just kind of waste time if you end up trying to work with that one. So second bit, first bit and onward, bit 0 is unnecessary. Unless you are doing just kind of what I'm doing. Just trying stuff out and yeah, exploring kinda. And now it's going double speed upwards. One instruction can change these amount. Maybe. That depends a lot, as usual, on what I end up doing. Increment the color value by 1. Increment color. Shift player 1. And it's just gonna be the same name for this one down here. Player 2. And gonna wrap around if it hits the right side of the screen. Or else it's gonna do some funky business. I can actually show that. Right here. If I just... How should I do this? Just that. One single command there. Not with that. Then one of the sprites is gonna do a little funky stuff at one of the sides. And it's just because it tries to position it in the area it shouldn't try and place a sprite. It's in the horizontal blank area. So it just ends up moving it all the time, and just it tries to do what it should do, but it just fails it, because the TIA chip in the Atari isn't that advanced. It's rather simplistic. You need to be a little babysitter for it all the time. If you're not, it's gonna screw up in some interesting ways. Right around. There we go. Oh. Maybe just use the player name. So if I end up using the different names for it all of a sudden, then that's definitely gonna be some confusion. Anyway, build here. And wait for scan. Scan, and then return to tab. Turn to sync. But then we're gonna sync. Make the sync signal again. We're gonna set the sync. We're gonna unlatch and latch the inputs. We're gonna wait 3 scan lines to properly generate the sync signal for the television, and then we clear the sync. Plenty of work. Without it, we aren't going anywhere. And all these steps can just be thrown in between the syncs here. So and that's good. But yeah, there's no. I don't really need to do this. Never mind. Not doing that. Just vertical sync 3 times by itself. Nothing else. And then disable the sync. Mm-hmm. Clear input latches. What I want to do. Wait, no. How do I haven't actually looked into this. How do I do this? Control this. Just take. Oh. Hmm. What's this one? There's some timing stuff here for audio, but that's not what I'm looking for. All switches I are true. These two helps have matched matches. That's enabled. Waiting to 6 blank. Okay. Nice. Dominance for the win. Disable the back processor, reads the logical level of the port directly. Disabled latch set for latch. This and let's go. So it latches what the input is at that time. I see now. So I would actually like to wait a little with this. And possibly do it after the sync is done. Then I can see why Atari games had input issues at times, maybe. It's one hell of a system. There was driving controllers made for the Atari 2600. I can understand. Mainly thanks to like an explanation of how the light gun works in the SNES. So there's some timing stuff that needs to be understood, since the video signal is generated by the CPU. You already know what scan line it is at, and all that. Alright, I see. But how do you know where it is currently on screen? Hmm. Wait, that's... Wasn't that 10 years after the Atari 2600 got released? That's a late edition. But yeah, it wasn't meant for that Atari 2600, but people could use it, just because the console was so simplistic. Oof, pedals. Oh lord. Yeah, that... Latching is weird. Can't say anything else, but latching is weird. Just gonna do it right. Nope. That wasn't my idea. Well, I know this feature for Windows. Interesting. That's one way to move windows around. Just rest of Windows can use the arrow keys. Interesting stuff. I don't even need to establish this 0 and X next to this up here, but I don't know what type of changes I'll make it in the future with this, so just keep it. And okay. Fewer registers used. Why not? Even though it's unnecessary for me. Reload. Data. Oh. Stills. Data in. Just. Please scan. Scan. Rescan lines for proper sync. And then I'm gonna clear the sync register and relatch joystick inputs. There you go. And how does it look? Yeah. No changes, that's good. That's good. Me fiddling around with the sync signal a tiny bit didn't change anything. As it should. First color. Highlight, yeah. Rain, yes. Oh wait, oh, it's the wrong one I'm labeling here. Just there, I want it. And this one is just the scan lines that needs to be drawn. Go.
Let me go, there's no doubt. Gotta get out of this small town. You took my heart from me, now you're everywhere I see. Set me free, let me fly. Let me find new kinds of highs. We're just wasting here, waiting for another year. We both know the score. We've been here once before. So many words unspoken. You took my heart, it's already broken. You don't have to wait. I can take the pain. I will surrender. Let me go on a new adventure. On a new adventure.
There we go. Display colors with like 2.
On a new adventure.
Color. Right. And we want to
Let me go, it's my time. Watch me build another life. Find another space. Explore the world and find my place. Hope you find some peace of mind. Hope the night was worth your time.
clear that the line is done.
We won't see another day. We both know the score. We've been here
Yeah, the line's done.
before. So many
And yeah, it's just gonna loop through until all the lines that need to be drawn is actually drawn, which is this amount here. To be exact, it's actually 192 visible lines. I just start out with the PAL timings for it, and then I just move stuff about with the timings to have a little more processing time, but the same amount of visible lines as the NTSC format.
On a new adventure.
Yeah, this is good. And what's the next I want to do? I have... Wait! That was one thing I wanted to do. I want to use the Y register to dignify the offset. I'm not silly. You're the silly one. But yeah, I wanna... Why? With 3, because that's the delay time. Those rates. You're a menace! A menace to society. Oh. Wait. What was it now used for? Internal variables. Easiest temp. Didn't I use the first one of those? Hit the pipes up. Oh. Well, it's kind of the same case with my partner, so you two on the same position with that. There we go. Store what's in Y in that position. Wait, I do use the right register. And there, I forgot. So I need to stash it away temporarily. Plain stuff is great. Just my partner would agree with that. Yes, I'm gonna use the same register temporarily. Same memory spot. Control right, okay. Push that. Down here, I need to pull A, transfer to Y. Oh, and with this value again. There we go. That's it. Takes a few more bites, but should be any change. Oop. Oop. I broke it. I broke it. There we go. That should... no. I'm breaking stuff. Ah. I'm doing the breaky breaks. Lobster counting. What's going on? Yes, lobster. What have I done? I'm screwed with stuff, and now it's not doing the right thing. Wait. Wait a second. Use that register for that. Oh, that's why there's a collision of data. So if I use the 4th, the 84th one, it should be fine. There we are. Data collision. It's great. I just wanted to use the temporary registers for my routines that I have 4 bytes for, and I screwed it up. I don't even use more than 2 bytes. My little temporary storage area, that's neat enough. Yeah, this works. Does everything I want. No more, no less. The rock is cooking. We're going to the silly world, the silly land of the silly. Just go to the east. Ooh. End up writing to that register, timing register, just 3 cycles later, but it could break stuff. Thank God it didn't. Well, did it? Nope. That's neat. Yeah. And now we're inside the drawing routine. Get them out of scan lines, we get the current color, and then we store it to the color, background color register, and store it to sprites as well. We have limited time. We can't do the silly steps. We are limited on time, people. Don't do multiple things at once. Oh boy. You really want to risk it, I see. But you're just a silly little guy. Silly little goof. Yep. Wait, why is that? Huh? Hmm. some reason there's no color. Odd. Oh, it runs all that in one scan line. Okay. I didn't know you could do this much work. 2 increment operations. There's multiple math operations, another increment. And then I only use about half of the scan line for that. Yeah, just go ham with it. It's safe, trust us. It's safe. Ooh. Seizure? Seizure warning? I didn't expect that one. Oof. I see what I'm doing. Mixing registers up. I'll use the X one. There we go. Can I go all the way to there? It still works. Yeah. Funky yogurt. Oh, you're talking my language there. You're talking the language of my people. Funky yogurt. Ah, yeah. I forgot. That's the exposition of player 1. And we go in and do some funky mathematics stuff. And then positioning code. Hell yeah. Am I too much of a music head at the moment? I might be. I just love music. Music. I can't stop looking at this. It's kind of mesmerizing. Just looking at stuff. Things still working its way through. No, I'm not tired. I'm never tired. Never, 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 never. Never in a million years. I haven't even looked into really how my code ended up displaying sprites, so it's fun to look at. And then there's a little wait. Like so. Oh, there's not much time left on that. After I change the sprite data, there's only 11 pixels. My god. My god. 11 small pixels is left after all that. How many cycles is that? It takes 3 cycles. No, 1 cycle is 3 pixels, so divided by 3. Oh, if I go to 12, it's gonna be a full number. Then that's gonna be the last one. So that's 9. Only 3 cycles is left. 3 cycles from bypassing the jump, clearing the virtual blank, and then loading the data and altering stuff. There's only 3 left. 3 cycles. So you can actually see color already here. So I'm 1 cycle in, not 1 single pixel. Go to this one, it's gonna be way easier to see. So I solve that point. And then there's only the first pixel. Then there's gonna be 9 pixels afterwards. And this one is fine. Done. And it's just gonna wait. Timing, 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 timing. It's all important. And you can also just see the sprite getting nudged over by 1 single pixel. I'm oddly mesmerized by this system. It's fun to play with. Oh, and there's the color that this one uses. It hides it completely. That's why I have 2 different. Da, 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 da. Oh yeah, a little wait. Oop. Ain't necessary. It's just hogging up time for no reason, except just me being able to see what's going on in the debug window. The debug window. Ah. Alrighty, so I did that, and the next, are there any improvements I can do to others? I don't think so. So just noting down the different things in it. I'm just gonna go in a little notation on here, I guess. Noting down each bit. Fire up the wire register. I can save time if I just go ahead and don't do that. I want to save time more than anything. And also a little ROM space. So when I'm positioning, I just need to declare right register each time. Like so. saved me a little bit of ROM space, and it's not that big of a deal with this at least. Would have been nice if it was 65 CO2, so I could just push on the X and Y registers directly to the stack. Sadly I don't have the other functionality in this whole system. The original 6502 doesn't have it. It's sad. Wait, couldn't I just have a 1, 2, 3 system? Nah. Nah. Easier just to pass it directly, and it's gonna save me a little bit of stuff as well. Fluffy! Hey! How are you? Little fluffer! I'm doing pretty well. I'm just casually sitting here working away. I don't have anything else to do, so I'm just kinda existing as well, so yeah. Prepare for position conversion, because I'm using the Y register to hold the course position of the player, which is the amount of times I'm gonna go through this tiny loop down here that's gonna position the sprite in 15 pixel increments. And the remaining bit of positional information is gonna be derived from what's remaining in the A register after I've done this. For A starts out with, maybe I should document a lot more on these, because it's some rather funky code that needs to be written to be fast. Fast but funky. So if I this a little separation. I can detail what's going on in this. Position. Right. X. Position. Maybe I should have like capping of the position here. So I have all the information for it. And it's also rather repetitive as well, so might be something I'm gonna do in there. Is even... Hmm. Now I'm confusing myself with this positioning stuff. Should it even be like that? If I end up using 5, would it still be correct when it starts up? No, it isn't. So I need to have a starting offset, which needs to be 3. And then I can do further movement from that. And the thing I want to do is... The furthest difference with the sprites is gonna be 5 pixels, I think. That means from 2 to 5 pixels is the difference between the missile and ball S2. Normal play sprite is 3, normal 3. I stretched 1. Yes, stretched player sprite is 4. One that's stretched by 4 times is gonna be 5 pixels, I think it was. Other documentation in this one about it. Let's see. Sprites. Huge. Let's talk about it here. Any information about the offsets and stuff. That sounds... Isn't the W sync just meant to like wait for the next scan line? Next one. Not also in scan lines they need to blank and resync. Yeah. As it stands there, it's just meant to just normally work. It doesn't send more than 162 pixels align.
I will not know when nobody knows.
162.
Not go when nobody goes. I lost my way, but I found my fighters.
Oh wait. This is what I'm doing. But yeah. It definitely ain't easy to tackle all of this data at once. So let me see if there is... How would you do that? There's so much data that can go through at some points in a game that you would need to... yeah, I should really get another monitor. But, yeah. It's fine. How does it look if I just force this to be CK? CCAM. Oh boy, oof. Harsh colors. Who won the Spectrum game? A nice little Spectrum game. Yeah. I've never been... I have had a second monitor, but the little HDMI to VJ converter I used kinda just had a... I don't know, a hiccup of some kind. So now I can't use that because it just doesn't like me. It's just, if I start up my system with it plugged in, it just black screens. There's nothing going on. It just sits in an infinite trying to boot up loop. So I don't know what has happened to it. Well, it took a few days for that issues and then just died. I have no clue why. I could use my TV as a second monitor, but then I need to look up a lot. I wanna, yeah, check what's going on there. So it's easier just to have one beside me.
Drowning in something and I can't come out. Just show me loving. I need loving. Need myself, need enough. Expecting a thought to a crushing heart. I want you to know how bad it hurts. You got me beside along my heart.
Okay. And start. There's NTSC. NTSC was that there is some even less. There's way less time. Computing that like, off-screen information stuff. It's just there's not as many blank lines you can utilize. There's more colors. Like how many? There's 3 extra bands of color. It's also laid out in a way more intuitive way. What's going on there? I'm still doing this and it's faking out thanks to it. Just go back to that for now. Gotta figure out the proper way to do it at some point. Yeah, X register isn't touched, so you could move the sprite multiple times, but there's no need for that. But it's just to simplify the positioning of, well, to select which one you want to actually use of the sprites. Just pass in 1, 0. Actually, I want to clamp it just in case. Now that means I want to go away to the temporary storage, transfer X to A. I want to add it with the 1 because that's can also just 1. So that's the first bit that I just do that to, and then I transfer A back to X. And then I need to load A with that. Okay. Wait. Oh yeah, I would have done with the Y registers. So I could transfer A to Y. That's gonna save a tiny bit of memory and also time. But transfer back up. Okay. A simple transfer is 2 machine cycles, but this is 3. And it's also compared to 1 byte. This one takes 2 for the stall. So I'm wasting 2 cycles, 2 bytes for this. So I would definitely prefer the transfer between registers a lot more. Now it's safe. Safe. Safe work. And go. Still, I'll retain the data in A. I'm definitely not tired. As I said before, I'm definitely not. Make the notes short. That's right offset. What else? I'm asking that a lot to myself, I've noticed. What else? What can I do? What should I do? Oh, I just remembered. Yesterday, I ended up just meeting one of the most adorable people I've ever interacted with. Like, it was insane. It was mind-numbingly adorable to try and just meet them. It was... I don't even have words for it. But I see why some people would just be hella protective over them. They were so pure, so wholesome, so sweet. It was insane. I would end up giving my life just knowing that I would be able to just manage to help their life out. Because, god damn, they're precious. I didn't even believe it at first. Like, it was insane how adorable they were. Let me see. Now I'm gonna go and replace these so I can just at a glance see what they do, what they are about. This one needs to be there, there, and there. And the second. There, there. With it feeding there. Yeah. No. Then second sprites. Like so. Just removing the stuff that quite where it doesn't just seem like random floating numbers in my code. Okay. I don't like magical numbers all over the place. So many altered lines. And what's... I'm skimping out on the documentation. I wanna get around it, do something else. But can you blame me? It's not the most interesting to write. But needs to be done. If I... Wait, am I seeing two people on the YouTube side? Or is it just one? Oh, there's two. Nice to see, to be honest. Lots of changes. Lots and lots. I should have gotten some coffee. I could have spiced up myself a little bit. Ha. It's not easy to have conversations going when there's not too much chatting. I'm surprised with a lot of streamers and stuff how they can manage it. When there's not anything going on, it's difficult to keep on talking, but yeah, whatever, basically. Like, this usually happens, like, this drought of not knowing what to say and do usually happens like 3 or 4 hours in or something. Just, that's the beginning. It's a little different today. Oh.
Was it the voice? Was it the fire burning in me? All of the noise turned into choirs of harmony. Left me with the pieces of forever that you broke.
I might go now and then start the stream up later today, possibly. Because, yeah, my mind is kind of collapsing as well, on top of all of this. So, yeah, I might need to go, just to, yeah, fresh myself up, and do something else for a little bit. And yeah, then I'll return with something about the same. So, yeah. Take care, peeps.